Hello once again, people. We are back in the world of Rapture, which is in Bioshock 1 and 2, and I have got Siege with me today.
Hello.
Yay!
Hi, everybody.
Yeah, in part 1 or part 2, I might have paused to say hello, and that was his fault. Anyway, let's get the fuck on with this. She knows no way. Isn't that good?
No.
Knowing's usually good now. Boom! I like to explode things. Shut up. Shit! I suck with telekinesis. Oh, I don't want your bum in my face.
You got mooned.
Well, everyone hates Big Daddies, so wouldn't surprise me. Meh. In your face. How do I use my Eve hypo thing? I just need to controls. Can you see it, Chris?
No,
Poo. Right, you look in the instruction manual.
Where is it?
Somewhere.
Well, then you're fucked.
Your face is fucked. How do I... That's useful. Ah! E5 pipe. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. Yum yum.
How do they eat through that damn helmet?
Shut up.
White is not black, Dr. Lamb. Down is not up, and straw is not gold. Look around you. Rapture is no miracle. It is a product of reason. Impossible unless 1 and 1 are 2, and A equates to A.
And yet, alone, each man is a prisoner to bias, dream, delusion, or the pain of a phantom limb. To one man,
I rule with my zappy stuff.
reality
Right.
is consensus, and the people are losing faith. Take a walk, Andrew. It is raining in Rapture, and you have simply chosen not to notice.
Son of a bitch. What do I do?
Sophia Lamb is using the splicers against you. Most big daddies are like her slaves, guarding the little ones. But someone has awakened you.
Get to Bridget 10.
I know of your bond.
Profile.
Come on, Alex, choose.
I chose guns.
To save yourself, you will come for her. But Eleanor has a destiny.
Shut up, aren't
One
you?
you cannot share. There
You
is
can't
no
carry
place
anymore.
for you in
That sucks.
paradise.
I don't think it's a good idea to go up there for some reason. Usually when stuff falls on me, it's not a good idea.
No, so last time I remember something like that happening in Bioshock, someone threw a flaming sofa at me.
Oh yeah! Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. I'm guessing that isn't that good.
No. Now, where's my sofa? I want my sofa.
In ethical psychology,
Damn!
we must account for the
Damn,
role
can't carry any more fucking RIVETS.
depression, fits of panic, sexual pathos,
I want them RIVETS.
responses to ancient selection pressure.
Keep an eye on how long this is going for,
Is that
right?
this theory
Yeah.
is why Ryan's people
Just go for it.
I don't want a flying sofa. Ah! Shit!
Remember, Eleanor,
Guess I get to go pick up rivets now.
the beast before it can be slain.
Use nose. This is badass.
Quickly, head for the elevator.
I'll try to. Thank you, Tenenbaum.
Why you German?
Are you racist against Germans?
No, I just
Isn't
don't
this
like...
because of World War II?
Yeah, I blame World War II.
Sweet.
So basically now that'll set the robots on splicers. Yeah?
Yucky people. Eat bolts. Nyam. 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 I guess I better get out of here before I end up like her face. Where your face at, girl? No, I'm out of here. Zap. I don't end up like your face. Dead. Bye bye, asshole. Tra-la-la-la-la-la.
Well, going on that attitude, I don't want to end up like your mum's minge.
Ew. Yucky. Wait, was that a yucky sister girl?
Now, here is what
It was not a scary person.
Yeah.
Scary. No, I don't like a scary
very
person.
Old Big Daddy, bonded for life to a single little one. When you are apart for too long, your body begins to shut down like a coma. As long as the girl is in rapture, you attract her as well.
Yeah, but I know
For your
how.
little one.
I think I know how this is gonna end.
Daughter of Sophia. She is kept at Fontaine Futuristics on the other side of the city. You must go there and save her before it is too late.
What if I
Damn!
don't- What if I just let her die? Actually, no, that'd suck.
Yeah.
That'd suck balls.
So if she's dead, then it counts as her being away from you. So then if she's away from you, then you go into a coma.
He sucks.
Trap rivets don't fire against you.
No, because I'm awesome.
Because you're a big daddy, I guess. They don't fire against you.
Fuggy face splicer. I guess it's bad if it's raining.
Oh god. Wait.
Like, one water pressure just crushed that instantly, because we are at the bottom of the Atlantic.
No, they'd have reinforced it.
With poo.
With more glass.
I'm poo.
Alex, can I just ask, why do you like poo?
I don't. You like poo.
You are poo.
Your face is poo.
You have as much as you can get.
Damn it. Free oil. Damn it. What's the point in free stuff if you can't, like,
Use
take
it.
it?
Yeah, what's the point of free stuff if you can't use it?
It isn't very free now.
I've got a brilliant theory for that. What's the point of free stuff if it's not free? Just get her to come over here and trigger the trap.
No. Splice him in your face. Splash you with a rivet.
Why was there rivets in a bin?
Because rivets suck.
And why the hell does she have drill fuel?
Because she wants to make a drill. Tenenbaum.
You see, this is why I must fight Sophia Lamb. She is using the new little ones or something, and I have returned to rescue them.
You mean you escaped?
More children
You dumb bitch.
my sins, and the rapture nightmare will repeat forever. Now, we must talk. Citizens of Rapture, this is Subject Delta. Behind that mask hides an enemy of the people, without soul or sympathy.
No, that's you.
It is a beast apart, and
I won't even die now, dumb bitch.
Lamb will take this place apart to find you. Please hold back the splicers until we escape.
But what if I don't want to? What if I just want to let you die?
Lamb controls the splicers?
No, was he already dead? Come get me, dumb bitch. Ow. Now, splices hurt.
Splicer, no splicing.
Stop splicing your DNA. Blah. Blah.
Oh my god, you're such a good shot, you're almost like a black man.
Okay, we are not posting this video now. We can't post it now.
Sorry guys, that just slipped out, I didn't mean to say that.
He watches too much TV.
Yeah, it's a bit too much TV.
He isn't racist.
I'm not racist, no, I'm not.
The chimpanzee down the corridor is racist. Yeah, and there's a chimp that lives down the corridor. I lied, there isn't a chimpanzee.
Yeah, there is. It's called you.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Now I must
No, it's you.
leave.
You live down the corridor
I'm
from me.
sorry for this, but there are others I must help before the city drowns. This man Sinclair, he is an ally and will guide you to Eleanor. Goodbye, Herr Delta. And good luck.
Why do German people always say hair? If they're talking to a guy.
And is responsible for stealing children from the surface. Her splicers destroyed my submersible and forced me to run. But the ticket booth here is secure. And though I cannot trust him, Sinclair is a valuable ally. I have already rescued a few of the new little ones from land. They all want to know how we will get home. I wish I had the right words for them.
Well, look at you. A bona fide knight in armor, complete with iron horse. The name's Augustus Sinclair, Sport, Esquire. Old Tannenbaum and I share an interest in the old Fontaine building, the very same place you'll find Eleanor Lamb. I think you and I can do business. Take the train to Ryan Amusements. I'll see you shortly.
And I think we'll leave it here. Oh shit, I can't save. Guess we've got to leave it for another couple of seconds. Doop dee doop dee doop. I'm going underwater. I'm being underwater.
I don't like being underwater.
It's
too
all wet. Jinx
Yeah.
padlock.
I said it's too wet.
Oh yeah, you suck. You suck a cock.
I don't like being underwater. It's too wet.
Like your mom.
I know she is. I made her wet.
That's an incest joke. Incest jokes suck.
No, they don't.
Like CJ sucks cock.
God, Alex. Alex, look up.
Oh, I get to go now. Yay! Wait.
It's saved.
Shavy! Shavy! It's your shavy!
Whoa there. Now better apply the brakes unless you're aiming to dash yourself against that glacier up ahead.
I don't care, I want to die. Because if I die, the girl dies.
As you can see, Chief, the station here's iced over. To reach Eleanor Lamb at Fontaine headquarters, we'll have to clear the way. Now, in order to melt that ice, you'll need a plasmid, like a handful of hellfire. We used to sell a fine old product called Incinerate in the amusement park up yonder. Go on and find a way in. I've already been on all the rides.
Oh, and there's a little sister.
Is there?
Yeah, look. Little sister's in this level.
Oh, yeah.
Anyway, let's save it here. Save it over Ryan Amusements. We're a couple of seconds ahead now.
Okay, guys.
Anyway, bye-bye. See you next time.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.
Boo.